The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. Happy Teachers Day! Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. So let's get started and make this beautiful Teachers Day card. So today I'll be telling you a very different way you can make your own craft papers. If you don't want to make it, you can use these kind of craft papers. But if you want to make something different, some shady craft papers, you can just take a drawing book, something like this. Spray a little bit of water in that and then start mixing the colors. Try to take 2-3 colors like pink, red, orange. And if you don't want to go with the pinks one, you can go with the blue one, like blue, a little bit of teal, purple. So you can mix these kind of colors and you can make this kind of pattern. So once the pattern is done, I'm going to take this paper puncher. This is very easily available in the market. You can get it. If you don't have this, you can simply cut the paper, and I'm going to make a lot of them. Now I'm going to take this craft paper, one card. I'm going to stick this craft paper on the card. Now I'm going to take this doily paper and I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to fold it something like this. If you don't have doily paper, you can simply skip this process, but if you have it, it will give a really beautiful look. So I'm going to stick it down under here in the one corner, and then we can stick our flowers accordingly. Now if you see, if you mix 2-3 colors, your flowers are going to look and pop up something like this. So this is a very easy method. You can have your own craft paper and you can color it accordingly. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And for the center, I'm going to take this glitter sheet and I'm going to take a paper puncher, and simply I'm going to paste it at the center of the flower. And finally we are going to stick this Happy Teachers Day, and the card is ready. This is super simple and easy to make, and you can use this card in any of the occasions like birthday, anniversary, etc. And if you like this card, please give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to our channel and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. And if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.